Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to use the webhooks in the YTN GetCertified application. Okay, so let's just have a quick explanation about what is webhook. Webhooks are a type of the communication between two applications. For example, we have application A and application B, and application B wants to subscribe to to listen to some events that happen in the application A. So application A provides a system for application B to subscribe to for that event, and application B provides the callback URL. And when the event triggers, the application A makes a post request to the provided URL with the payload data. Okay, so let's see how that works in the GetCertified application. Okay, first thing, I'm going to assume that you have the service application and the application deployed somewhere, and you have access to that application. For this example, it is deployed on my local machine. Okay, and next thing you need to do is you have to pass the authentication to access the API. Okay, I will not go into details how to use the API interface. You just need to navigate to this URL and on the service route path, and you have access to the API. Okay, we first need to provide the basic authentication, then the bearer authentication, and we can now use the rest of the API. The endpoint we are interested in is the webhooks. For example, we want to subscribe to some event. We first need to see what are available events. Okay, you can do this by making a GET request to this URL. And then we need to choose to which event we want to subscribe. The event we are interested in is the attempt verify. Okay, when we know which event to which event we want to subscribe, we need to make the webhook. When we make the webhook, we need to provide the event. We saw it in the all events, and which resource. Okay, so the next thing is callback URL, to which when the event triggers, to which URL the system will make the post request. Okay, so this is some test URL just to verify that the webhook works. Okay, the secret, you can disregard this because it is not used. It will be stored, but it will not be used. And this active just represents if the webhook is active, so if the system will make the post request when the event triggers. Okay, you can also, if you do not provide it, it will be set as true by default. Okay, we made the request. We can see the request. So this webhook listing just lists the webhooks for the logged in user, so you cannot see others webhooks. webhooks that other users created. Okay, because we have a duplicate webhook, we will delete one of them. So this is how to delete. Of course, you cannot delete or modify others' webhook. Uh, this is the update of the hook. This is the data that can be modified, and if you do not provide some of the data, it will not be modified. So if you provide just the URL will be modified. Okay, and this here just this operation just returns the last payload data from the event. Okay, that is all about the URLs. The making the webhooks endpoint. The next thing we need to do is to trigger this attempt to verify that this webhook works. So in my application, it will just print in the application's log. The next thing we need to do is to trigger the event. So when the attempt is verified, we will expect we can expect the payload data to be printed here. What is the payload data for the attempt verified? It is same in the same format as here. So it will be returned in the same format as here. So it is REST-like object. Okay, so how to verify the attempt? I will not go to the whole process of making the attempt. So in order to make attempt, you have to make the test, then make the test session, then assign candidate to some test session so he can take the test. Then candidate must make the test, and he can pass or fail, and just then you can verify that attempt. So let's, for example, select this attempt. So in order to verify attempt, you have to go into manage tests. Then you will see the previous interface. Then you select one test, and then you navigate to the candidates. And here you can see all the attempts. So this here attempts cannot be verified because they are not because they have the status not attempted. So the user didn't do the test. But these here tests that have the outcome, you can verify them. How to check it if they are verified? You can see the report verification date. So we have here verified, 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 and this here is not verified. How to verify? We could select it. We can do it in two ways. We could select it, then verify report for selected candidates, or verify all reports. So if we click this, it will verify all reports that can be and they are not verified. They can be verified and they are not verified. So when we do this, the reports are verified, so this event is triggered, and we can expect that there is a post request to this URL because this webhook subscribed to that event. So in our application, we can see the payload data. So you can see it is the identical format. It is the identical format of the test attempt as in the service. Okay, so that is all about the using webhooks in the YTN Get Certified application. To test it, if you have some problems in making tests and the whole process of the making attempts, you can navigate here or here in the tests or here in global to the help page, and you can see the process of how to make the test and how to take the test. So you can refer it to as here, and when you make the attempts, you can trigger the attempt verified event here. Okay, so that is all about webhooks. I hope this video will be useful to you. So thank you for listening and have a great day.